dryer broke recently. Am I really mad about it? Am I really mad about it though? Am I really mad about it though? No, not anymore. This blow dryer I heard is for the textured girlies. The textured girlies, because first of all, I got a feeling that she did her big one. This comes with a total of 4 pieces: a comb, a curl diffuser, and a brush, and like I forgot what it's called. The concentrated nozzle, like the thing that you put on the end. So it's the diffuser, the concentrated nozzle, the wide tooth comb, and the brush. Today I think I'm gonna be using the brush. I think I'm gonna use the brush or the comb today. Let's see how this do. This part. Oh yes, I love. Look. I love how like usually most blow dryers come with like a little wire or that little. It'll be white usually. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. But this one is like a Velcro one. I love that. And you don't have to worry about losing it because it's attached. Yes. Yes, girl. Tracy. Guys, I'm so excited. It's plugged in. All right. Let me take this. My hair is a little bit damp still. I think I'm gonna start out with the back piece. Back piece, yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna be using the Smooth and Shine Argan Oil. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand because you know the thing too is I need to protect my hair. I need to get better because I have a little bit of heat damage that I got from the last little wash-in set that I got. I'm so happy about this blow dryer. Honestly, I was a little bit upset with my blow dryer. I had a blow dryer that I had for quite some time, and originally I was extremely upset about it because I'm like, when am I gonna be able to get a blow dryer? But then you know your girl looked on Ulta Beauty Sephora and remembered that I had this in my save for later. I feel like the brush would be more defined. I'm gonna use the brush. I'm gonna use the brush today. I'm actually gonna show you guys how the pieces look. Comb piece. Like actual, I love that. I'm using this, so the attachments is pretty simple and pretty easy. Literally very smooth, very easy, and very seamless. Let me see how this is. Before I even turn it on, I really just want to see how it's gonna run through my hair right away. Whoa, I'm scared. Hold up, maybe I should have did this side first because I'm right-handed. All right, let's see. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Okay. To show y'all how. Wow. Okay. What a product. All right, let's keep it going. Oh my gosh, I might need to speed this up. This is why my hair be coming up, because I be a little impatient sometimes, and then I love it. Like, it's not like, y'all just gotta see for yourselves. I'm gonna get this blow dryer. Is a 10 out of 10 for me. This blow dryer is for the natural hair girlies. It's for us. she's at. I don't even know. Round of applause for Tracy. Round of applause. When I want to straighten my hair, I ain't gonna never have a problem. Never, never, never. Never, never, never. Look how nicely my hair is blown out. Like, yes, like look how the comb just goes through. No issues. No problems with the comb going through. Look at this. The molds on here, so I know I probably should have said it. Probably should have said this in the beginning of the video. There are 3 molds, and like look how it has like this temperature sign on it. So like you have lowest temperature to all the way to the highest temperature. You usually turn it on with this button, the fan button, which controls how much air comes out or how much heat will come out. Like for the highest one, it would be all the way here. There's a cooling feature on this. So like if it's blowing too much heat, you could also dry your hair with cooler air and like hot air. You can click it for the cool air, the more cool air to come out, and click it again if you want the hot air to come back out. This is also the button at the back. I'm not exactly sure what this button does. My hair's not straight, which I didn't want that, but it blew my hair so well. The brush was able to get through it with no problem. Like, I think this is actually my favorite attachment. Honestly, I haven't used the rest of them, but when I do use I can't wait to use the curling diffuser. But right now, this brush is definitely like probably my go-to, because I do notice that like I'm pretty much sure that if I use the comb attachment versus the brush, this comb attachment would be less. It would have less. It would be, let me see, less stretch with my hair when it comes to blow drying. The brush attachment has more. Like, I hope that's making a bit sense. But what I mean is, like, if you use a comb, it would have less length, more shrinkage, because the brush is getting more hairs, I guess you want to say. And even when you want to detach, there's a button right here that allows you to detach, and it doesn't fall off. Like, you don't have to worry about the piece falling off. The piece is pretty secure when you want to take it off, and you just have to click both of the buttons on the side in order for, you know, to put it on. If when you want to use another piece, you just clasp it on. But let me show you guys the difference with the sides. But do you see how, like, the difference? You see how this is blowing out versus how this side blowed out? The comb doesn't, like, which is quite obvious. Like, if I take this attachment and I go like this, the comb won't get that because it's a wide tooth. One, it's a wide tooth comb, but the brushes, because the bristles are much smaller, it'll get in there like what I need it to do today. So each attachment obviously is going to be used for different things. Right now, I'm looking for a more defined blowout, and so because of that, I'm gonna continue to use the brush today. My hands is hurting. This was definitely faster with this blow dryer. This mane is tamed. This mane is tamed. This mane is tamed. Oh my gosh, yes. done. Bye guys. Y'all know what type of time it is. Y'all know what I'm about to say. Make sure you have a relationship with Christ. Make sure you build a relationship with Christ. He has something to say to you. He's trying to get your attention. Those that have ears, listen. Those with ears, listen. Hear what Jesus is trying to say to you, because every day he has something to say. The Father is speaking. The Son is speaking. Holy Spirit is speaking. Bye guys, love you. Stick with me. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. I'm gonna link it. It's gonna be right there. It's gonna be at the top, somewhere on the corner of one of these places. But love you guys. Bye.